spreading salt around the house. Here's why it is so incredible. After this video, please let us your comment. 1. Exploring the amazing uses of salt in the house. Salt has been used for centuries for cleaning purposes in the homes. It does not include toxic properties, and thus people have used salt to clean and disinfect items in homes. Not only it is highly helpful, salt is also extremely cheap. 2. Keep ants at bay. If you want to keep ants away from your food storage cabinets or windows, salt is the right solution. Place some salt on the windowsills or any other surface they have attacked. Salt lowers the levels of humidity in the home when applied like this. 3. Use salt for polishing brass, silver, and copper. If you have ornaments made from brass, copper, and silver, I am sure you want to keep them sparkly clean like new. Anyway, with time the metals fade, and that's why you need a method to keep them clean. You need to know is that salt is the easiest and non-corrosive solution for this problem. Prepare a paste with a mixture of salt and vinegar and rub the objects with it to make them shining after rinsing. The mixture of salt and vinegar dissolve any stains and dirt. 4. Salt for cleaning car and house windows. If you want to clean your window and get rid of stubborn stains, combine few tablespoons of salt and a gallon of warm water. Use this mixture to rub and clean the stained windows. It will make them as new, and also this effect will last. Moreover, this mixture can be used for cleaning your car windows. 5. Clean sink drains. Mix hot water with salt and pour the mixture in the sink. Salt will melt the grease buildup, which causes the clogged drain and deodorizes the sink. 6. Rejuvenate your skin. Combine salt and olive or lavender oil to make an amazing bath scrub. Use the mixture to rub the entire body and then shower to wash away the dirt. Salt is a good body scrub because it rejuvenates the skin by eliminating dead skin cells. 7. Make colors brighter. If you want to restore the original glare of your curtains or fiber rugs, here is one amazing solution. Salt can restore their color with just one washing. Soak a cloth in concentrated salt water and rub the faded rugs and carpets with it. This way you will clean any spots and stains that are almost impossible to remove with conventional detergents. 8. Tooth remedies. Next time you are dealing with a toothache and mouth sores, dissolve salt in warm water and swirl the liquid in your mouth. It is an amazing mouthwash and has laxative effects. 9. Whitening of your teeth and dental care. You can whiten your teeth with a mixture of salt and baking soda. You can apply it whenever you like. It helps keep your teeth white and clean always. 10. Dry clothes in winter. Prevent shrinking of your clothes by using salt in the final washing. This method is helpful if you keep your clothes outside in the sun to dry. Also, your clothes will be soft and stainless. If you have a question, please let us a comment and we will try to answer you as soon as possible. Share this video and subscribe to our channel. Visit us on greatleafyandmore.com.